Centrotherm is proud to introduce InnoFlue Lite. Same safe venting with new great savings. InnoFlue Lite is almost identical to its UL-listed big brother, InnoFlue. Both systems are made from durable, lightweight polypropylene, and both systems utilize a gasketed push-fit connection process that never requires glues, primers, or solvents, and both can more than adequately handle the temperature of flue gas from high-efficiency appliances. InnoFlue Lite is specifically engineered to maintain quality and safety, but has a focus on areas not requiring listed vent material. It's the same reliable flue gas system offered at a fraction of the cost. Astonishingly, even less than the dreaded PVC. Manufactured in 2-inch and 3-inch diameters, InnoFlue Lite is an easy-to-use system that is designed to quickly and efficiently vent simple residential-style exhaust runs. It also integrates with all other InnoFlue components should you want to accessorize or select a termination not offered in the InnoFlue Lite product family. Tradesmen around the country are switching from outdated vent materials to InnoFlue with or without code, and InnoFlue Lite retains all the industry-leading installation speed and safety of its big brother. Keep venting safely with InnoFlue Lite.